Assalamualaikum, Tajahau, Epadi Vanikum. Hi everyone, I am Anis. So the topic that I will discuss is about the design phase. First, what is design process? The design process is a technological problem-solving process that has a purposeful method of planning practical solutions to problems. It is influenced by criteria and constraints. Next, we move to the case scenario. Mr. Han is a young man with a degree holder who dreams of becoming a CEO and entrepreneur like Steve Jobs. After he finished his study, Mr. Han started working in startups company in Korean Silicon Valley. One day, Mr. Han have been given a task to design a product in a startup and he is the only designer there. What would he do? How would he approach the project without any set processes? With only 5 days given, he had to figure out a comprehensive way to tackle the situation. So, how Mr. Han solved the problem? First, Mr. Han will design the process. Mr. Han has chosen the user experience process. The step on the user experience process is first, strategy, research, analysis, design, production, launch, beta launch, and evaluate. Next, Mr. Han demonstrates the process by using a sample startup project that he have made to explain the user experience process. The project that he has chosen is the Foodie mobile application. The Foodie mobile application is an application that provides services on online food ordering, reserving a table at a restaurant, and find a bed in a hotel. The application will give suggestions to the users on what to order or reserve and continuously track the user's choice. The application will contain a backend system that would allow the restaurant, food corners, and hotels to add their details. The next step is how Mr. Han altered the project process. So, let's see how Mr. Han aligned the project. First, understand the problem existence. As a user experience person, he should be able to communicate back and forth with the client so he get an idea of what they are telling. He will be able to understand not only their main issue, but the other issues which are related to the main issue. Second step is research phase. After Mr. Han have identified the key areas that he need to cover, he did some research. Research is a really important factor when it comes to creating meaningful products. When we do the research, we will be able to understand how the product is going to behave in the market. The third one is analyzing phase. In this phase, Mr. Han analyzed raw information that he have found by using competitor analysis, creating personas, and customer journey map. The next step is wireframes and design. Mr. Han has created user flows, high-level and low-level wireframes. And the last step is visual design and testing. In this phase, Mr. Han create visual designs for the application with the feedback that he have taken from the wireframes. So here is the example of the process flow diagram that Mr. Han has created. So that's all from me. Thank you.